Hello everyone. So in this Mac series, I'm just make sure I'll cover all the questions I have in mind. And if you think you need something or you're struggling with something, you can let me know in the comments below. So I will make the video. So in this one, I'm just covering about how you can add or remove any apps, add and remove in the stock. So any app you want to add or remove from here, how to do that. So let's start first removing that. So any app you think here you don't want it there, so just right click on it, and from the options here, remove from dock is gone now. And the same way, if you come to launchpad or the applications where are, so any app you want it to add here, for example we will add the same Apple TV one, so just click and hold and bring it down here, wherever you want to add. Let's say add here. It's here now, and it's in the launchpad as well, but it added here because we dragged and dropped. So the same way, just to go back, and then same way to add, just drag and drop. First make sure the app is showing here, and then you can just drag and drop here, and then again right click, options, remove from the dock, like that. So it's pretty straightforward, and I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.